Good day to everyone. I'm Mad, one Tamad, and welcome to another episode of Farming Made DC here at Made Farms. Shh, I'm trying to farm here. Good day to everyone. For today's video, we will talk about how we make sugar water or sugar syrup to feed our beehives during the rainy season. So to start making sugar syrup or sugar water for our bees, let us look at the ingredients we will use. So we need sugar. This is white sugar, 2 kilos of white sugar. Here I have lactic acid or kefir, water kefir. And then I have a stainless steel pail and spoon. And then we have hot water to melt the sugar. So let us start by opening our 2 kilos of white sugar. We use white sugar because brown sugar or raw sugar has impurities that is hard for the bees to digest. Now let's pour 1 kilo of white sugar in our pail and add 1 liter of water to it. I use 1:1 or 1 liter of water to 1 kilo sugar because if the sugar is too low, you risk fermentation. If the sugar is too high, the sugar will crystallize inside the sugar container or the top feeder. We only use sugar feeding when the nectar sources are really low, but it's still best to feed honey to your bees. Now we add hot water to the sugar to melt it. Make sure the water is not boiling and is around 70 degrees Celsius, just enough to melt the sugar and pasteurize it. If you use boiling water, you risk burning the sugar. Now using the spoon, we stir the sugar until all the crystals are dissolved in the water. When the sugar syrup is cold enough, you can now put 1 cup of kefir water or lactic acid bacteria in our sugar mixture. The kefir water contains probiotics and lactic acid bacteria, which promotes good digestion and health to our bees. In the future, we can show you how to make your own water kefir or lactic acid bacteria. If you don't have lactic acid bacteria or water kefir, you can use honey or store-bought probiotics or lactobacillus drink to add to your mixture. Here we have some nucleus hives that we've inspected last week and is in need of sugar syrup because their honey is already depleted. So let us open one and pour some sugar syrup on top of their top feeder. Here in the tropics we can use top feeders because we don't have cold weather or cold temperatures, and we can easily feed the hives during the rainy season. We use plastic containers to put the sugar in because aluminum or stainless steel may react with the sugar in the long run. So make sure you only put enough sugar that they can finish because sugar may ferment. Should we need to clean the tray, we can easily unscrew the ladder and remove the tray for maintenance. The bees don't drown because the ladder is sealed from both sides. So the bees can only access through the hole here on our top feeder. So there you have it, feeding sugar water to our bees during the rainy season. Again, thank you for watching our videos. To learn more about how we make farming easy here at Made Farms, subscribe to my YouTube channel Madoda or add us on Facebook, Modular Aquaponics. See you in the next videos. Shh, I'm trying to farm here.